Don't get it twisted. 1 is not a prime number because apart from 1, no other number can divide 1. So today we're looking at solving prime factors of numbers. We can use two methods. We can use either prime factorization method or we can use the 3-factor method. So today I'm going to be using 3-factor method. Come along with me as we do this together. Of course, we have two numbers here. We have 96, then we have 64. So we're going to be using 3-factor method to look for the factors of these numbers. All right, come along. We're at our solution. All right, our solution. All right, the first one, we have to look for the what? The prime factors of the prime numbers of 96. All right, the first thing is to write what? We write our 96 here. Then you do something like this. Of course, you look for which number can go between 96. 1 cannot go because it will return 96. So we can go with the least number, which is 2. Okay, let's do this little by little. Slowly, you can get there. Just take it one number by the other. Okay, 2 in 9. How many times can 2 go in 9? We have what? 4. Because 2 times 4 is 8. Remove 8. Remove 8 from 9. You have remainder 1. Join it here. Now 2 in 16 will give us what? 8. Because 2 times 8 will give us 16. Then you do the number here. So which number are you using again? 2 can go, of course. Now 2 in 4 will give us 2. 2 in 8 will give us 4. Will give us 4. Then we also do this again. We can use 2 because 2 is it's also it can go in 24. 2 in 2 will give us 1. 2 in 4 will give us 2. So we'll go to the next one. 2 can also go. 2 in 12 will give us 6. So go this way. Then we use 2 again. 2 in 6 will give us 3 until it is no longer divisible. Then we use 3 automatically. 3 divided by 3 we go once. You can see this now. All these are what? They are prime factors of, they are prime numbers of 96. Now, if you look at 2 itself, it's not divisible by any number except 1 and 2. If you look at 3 here, 3 here is also a prime factor. It can only be divisible by 1 and itself. So that means if you multiply all these numbers together, they will give you 96. So let's look at it. We can now write our answers in index form. So we look at that is 2, this 2 times 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 this 3. Then you can now write it in index form by counting the number of 2's we have there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what? Yes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Then you have 2 raised to power 5 times this 3. So that's our answer. That's our answer. That means 2 in 5 places times 3. When you multiply this, it will give you 96. So let's solve the second question also. Let's solve the second question. We are looking for the what? The prime factors of the numbers of what? It's 64. So we have 64 here, here like this. Of course, we can use 2 also. 2 in 6 will give us 3. 2 in 4 will give us 2. You can see it's 2. 2 in 3 will give us 1. Remainder 1. Join it to the next number, that's 12. 2 in 12 will give us 6. Okay, and we have 2. 2 in 16 will give us 8. Bring it down. 2 in 8 will give us 4. Okay, 2 in 4 will give us 2. Then we can bring it out here. 2 in 2 will give us 1. All of these are just 2's. And when you look at it now, just look at it as 2 equals to what? 2 times 2 times this 2 times this 2. You say times this 2 times this 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will be 2 raised to power 6. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Bye for now.